Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new to my channel then welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you guys like the content that I create on my channel then please consider subscribing. So today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look which I have created for Ganesh Chaturthi. So if you guys are interested in knowing how to achieve this look then please continue watching. I'm going to begin with applying Smashbox, the original photo finish smooth and blur primer. Instantly takes away all the shine. Now I'm going to go in with Becca's Backlight Priming Filter. This one is NYX Contour Brush in number 05. So I'm going to use this brush to apply this Becca's Priming Filter. Just buffing it into my skin, on my neck as well. For foundation, I'm going to go in with Too Faced Born This Way Matte Foundation. This one is in the shade Golden Beige. I've already done first impressions of this foundation on my channel, so do check it out. Just taking some on the back of my hand. So today I will be applying this foundation directly with my sponge. Let's move on to concealer. For concealer, I am applying Huda Beauty's The Overachiever Concealer. This one is in the shade Graham Cracker. I'm going to set my under eyes with Cover FX Translucent Powder. This one is in the shade Light. I'm going to keep pressing this powder into my skin. Setting rest of my face with NYX Hydra Touch powder. This one is in the shade Golden. Using my Real Techniques blush brush. I'm going to go in with some blush now. This is my MAC's Peaches blush. Absolutely love this color. It's a nice peach color, and I will be applying this blush with my Morphe's E4 brush. I get a lot of questions about this brush. I absolutely love to apply my blush with this brush. I'm applying a little upwards. Love this color. It is so pretty and apt for festive season. I've recently uploaded my mini MAC haul video, guys. If you haven't checked out that video then please do check it out. Highlighter, highlighter, highlighter. Now it's time to apply some highlighter. Our look will be incomplete if we don't apply a good highlighter, right? So today I am going to go in with the Balm's Merry Luminizer highlighter, which is this one. It's a travel sized highlighter. I'm going to apply this beautiful highlighter with ColourPop's brush. इसका मुझे number नहीं पता है, which is this one. You can apply a highlighter, concealer, and powder with this brush. I am not going to take it upwards. सिर्फ यहाँ पे ही मैं apply करने वाली हूँ. Right on my cheekbone. Just going to press it. So as always, I'll quickly fill in my brows, finish one set of my eye makeup, and I'll see you guys very soon. So before moving on to eye makeup, I quickly want to show you something. So guys, if you can notice, this area, my mouth area, has gone a little gray. So if you guys have seen first impressions of Too Faced Born This Way matte foundation, उसमें भी मैं यही बोलती हूँ कि once I apply the foundation and it settles down, after a while I can see that it goes a little light. अभी भी वही हुआ है. it went a little light and इसलिए ये जो area है वो grey लग रहा है. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fix this area with my concealer. It's my same Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer. Today I am using the Warrior eyeshadow palette by JUVIAS. I'm going to go in with this warm brown eyeshadow. It's called Kano, I don't know which is this one. Applying with MAC 217 brush. Now I'm going to blend the edges with MAC 224 brush. I'm going to apply some more of this shadow. Now for the soft liner look, I'm going to go in with this really dark brown shadow. It's called Mino, which is this one here. I'm going to take Mino on my Makeup Geek's Defined Crease brush. I'm going to apply Mino close to my lash line, okay? Now I'm just going to blend these two, okay? Not too much, just a little bit. For my lower lash line, I'm again going to go in with that warm brown shadow, which is called Kano or Kano. You want your lower lash line to look really nice and smoky. Applying K Beauty's NYX Kajal on my waterline. And I'm going to tightline as well. Now guys, on my inner corner, I'm going to go in with this shadow. It's called Moremi, which is this one here, okay? And I'm going to apply it with Max 275 brush. This is their short handle brush. Love this brush for inner corner highlight. It just fits so perfectly. Time to apply some mascara. I am using my favorite L'Oreal's Lash Paradise mascara. I'll quickly wear my favorite pair of lashes, that is my PAX eyelashes in number 53, and I'll see you guys very soon. So today I am a little confused when it comes to lip color. I have two options with me. This one is PAX Sweet Sensation Lip Cream in the shade Go Getter, number 17. And this one is Sugar's Matte Attack Transfer Proof Lipstick in the shade Salmon Republic, number 15. So I am confused between these two shades. Let me swatch on my hand and then maybe I'll decide. Okay, this is PAX Go Getter. I love the formula, by the way. It's too good. And this one is a Salmon Republic. I think I'll go for Salmon Republic. It is such a pretty color, guys. I absolutely love it. Now before setting my makeup, I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. This one is in the shade medium, and I will be applying this powder with my Real Techniques contour brush. And finally, I'm going to set my makeup with Milani Make Dewy setting spray.